Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. As part of problems related to sequences and series, let's look at this interesting example. We have been given that the difference of two numbers is 120 and the difference between their A.M and G.M is 50. We have to find the numbers. Let's repeat that. The difference of two numbers is 120. Let the numbers be A and B. We know A minus B is 120, where A is greater than B. And the difference between their A.M. What is A.M of two numbers? A plus B by 2. What is G.M of A and B? Square root of AB. The difference is given as 50. So we know two conditions. We have two variables. It should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and try to solve that. So first I'll write down difference of two numbers is 120. So I'll say A minus B is equal to 120. A minus B is equal to 120. That's the first condition. The second condition what we have is difference between their A.M and G.M is equal to 50. So can I write down A.M is A plus B by 2 minus G.M is square root of AB is equal to 50. But what we want is the numbers, so we try to convert this into one variable. So I will leverage from the A minus B equal to 120, that B equal to A minus 120. That is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So get the value of B from 1 and substitute in number 2. You will have A plus, in place of B, can I write down A minus 120 divided by 2 minus of square root of A into, again wherever B I have to put A minus 120. This is equal to 50. Now let's go to the next step. If we simplify, we will have A plus A 2A minus 120 divided by 2 minus of, can I bring the 50 to this side and take square root of A into A minus 120 to the other side. Now we simplify. Can I take 2 common? 2 into A minus 60 by 2, that is A minus 60 minus 50 is equal to square root of A into A minus 120. Now let's square it up. We will have SOPs. We will do SOPs. That's nothing but squaring on both sides. We do squaring on both sides. You have A minus 110 whole square is equal to A into A minus 120. Let's open the brackets now. We'll have A minus B whole square, that is A square plus 110 square minus 2 into A into 110. That's equal to A square minus 120A. Now we can see that A square and A square will cancel. If we try to simplify, we will have 2 into 110 is 220. 220 when it goes to that side will become 100, because 220 minus 120 is 100. So can I write down my next step as 100 into A is equal to 110 into 110. I can cancel 2 zeros there. So it will become A equal to 2 zeros. I can cancel. Let me do that. This zero can be cancelled with these 2 zeros. I am left out with A equal to 121. So the value of A is 121 and the value of B is equal to 1, because we know the difference between them is 120. Now let's verify this whether it's correct or not. For that we will go to our second equation and we'll cross check that. What is A plus B by 2? 121 plus 1 divided by 2 minus square root of AB, that is square root of 121. This is nothing but 61 and this is 11, which is equal to 50. That is what is given as 50. So we are good to go. So that's the solution of this particular problem. The problem, let's recap that. The difference of two numbers is 120 and the difference between their A.M and G.M is 50. Find the numbers. Let's say the numbers are A and B. We know A minus B is 120. So B equal to A minus 120. A.M minus G.M is 50. A plus B by 2 minus root AB is 50. Now B is equal to A minus 120. We can substitute that. We did that. After that, we squared it up on both sides. We simplified. We got A equal to 121. So that's one interesting example I thought of sharing with you. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.